Hi guys, this is Khalid Saifuddin. I'm with 29th August call for commodities, specifically for crude oil and gold. Now let's look at the chart and of crude oil. It is a 4-hour chart, and you can see there levels, which is starting from 95.80 to 89.85. I always try to give you the maximum levels to understand the market, even in a situation of high tides. So, but usually what we do, we use 2 to 3 levels above the closing price or 2 to 3 levels below the closing price. And we mark it down on the chart first. Now, let's read the call first. Bulls struggling for recovery, and I still expect bulls to do more. What I'm expecting here, I'm expecting more efforts from bulls, and that will confirm by trading above 93.10. The current closing is 92.95. So if it trades above 93.10, it will confirms bulls' existence. But I'm not giving a secure long here. What I'm saying is, I'm expecting bulls to do effort above 93.10, but excitement above 93.45. So, whoever understands the momentum of the bulls can even go in long from 93.10 upon realizing or confirming the bull's existence there. And if you don't, then wait for 93.45. When it breaks 93.45 with the power, then you can think of long again. And here we also need to understand the sharp highs are very important in case it moves up to 93.35 and then again comes down. So it will be a disaster for your long. So we'll try to check this sustainability above 93.10, even better above 93.45, right? So after 93.45, bulls going to chase for 94.75 or 94.55. It does not mean you have to exit exactly on 94.55. We'll try exiting below the given target to ensure exit. Sometimes we have a sharp high and then price coming down, so that can turn a profitable trade into a loss trade. We also recommend traders while chasing the targets, like here, if I look into this trade from 93.45 to 94.55, it's almost $1.10. So it's a good distance. So it's better trailing a stop loss. And how to trail the stop loss? You have two options. Either trail logically. If you go by logic, we have a level of 94 between 93.45 and 94.55. So once it moves above 94, we'll trail a stop loss below 94. That's how we will chase the given target. Now let's look at the other way around. What happened if it exhausts between 93.10 and 93.45? We'll just check it out, wait, and upon confirming it's coming down, when it breaks 92.85, it will confirm the exhaustion. If it is coming with the high of 93.20, 30 or 93.45, if it is coming from there, then it will confirm your short below 92.85. Or if the new session started trading below 92.85, then your short will be better off below 92.10 or upon confirming below 92.85. So what does it mean? We have to keep a precise eye on the sentiment, live sentiment of the market while trading a short-term trades. And here my calls are mostly for short-term trades. I'm not encouraging for a longer term longs or longer term shorts, right? So if you find exhaustion around between 93.10 and 93.45 and coming down, then go short below 92.85. Otherwise, short is below 92.10. Let's move on to the gold. Here again, you have a 4 hours chart of gold. And let's read the call first. Weak notice in tug of war between bulls and bear ended up in bear's power. In fact, if you look at the chart, both things notice here. Bull's efforts also notice, and then exhaustion is evident in last session. So it was a tug of war almost in the last week, and upon trading in both direction, at the end, the week ended up with the power of bears. Now, what we got? Although current closing is around 1738.37 and a little bit recovery also notice, but we are not going to think of a long right now, understanding the situation of a prevailing trend of the gold. So here basically I am suggesting a short but on strength, a little bit of strength. And what happened is, if it trades, obviously closes at 1738, so if it is trading above or around 1738, we'll look into the bull's power. Maybe they try to recover more, so we'll wait for going short on the strength later. So if it trades above 1741, then we'll try to understand the power of bulls and bear between 1741 and 1746. So we have both options. Going short, if we find the exhaustion below 1741, we'll go short right there. And if it's moving up, we'll wait a little bit and then we'll try going short below 1746. If you read the call, what it says, the metal will stay in pressure as long as it is trading below 1746.35, which confirms the short on strength possibility up to 1746. As I already said couple of times, for going short on strength, you need to understand the exhaustion. Even if you are going long on dip, you have to have an understanding of exhaustion. In short on strength, we'll check for exhaustion of bulls. In long on dip, we check the exhaustion of bears. So here we are talking about exhaustion of bulls, what we have seen in the last hour of Friday, the recovery in metal. So we'll look into that. Maybe we don't find bulls' efforts with the start of new week. Fine, that's okay. We'll stay short or we'll go short. And if it is moving up, we'll just wait and we'll try to go short on this trend. The important thing here, we are not encouraging for any sort of long, neither a triggered long, trigger-based long, or a long on dip. We are not encouraging long at any cost. Yes, one thing I can tell you, here we have a target of a short which is 1728. In this area, you can think about a daring and a high risk long for a limited upside, and there you will place a stop loss with the recent low. So sometime when you trade between the levels, you find as little trades, which I call it trading on levels. So you can do a trading on levels if you find the exhaustion of bears around 1728. And that is your understanding. If you realize bears exhausting here, and then upon confirmation of exhaustion, you can think of a long, but that long is not going too far. It will be for a limited move. I hope I made it clear how to trade in gold and crude for Monday, 29th August. I wish you all the best for your trading. Have a good day. Thank you. Whoever like to join our free special program, join us on given WhatsApp number 92345 619 0443. For international traders, 92345 619 0443. And for Pakistani traders, they can contact us 0345 619 0443. We are not only specific to commodities, we are looking into Forex, we are looking into foreign indices like NASDAQ, Dow Jones, S&P, and all these instruments are given in our daily calls. We are not only providing the daily calls, even in a live market, we try to find trades, short-term trades, and update you. Thank you.